Right here.
On that?
This one you don't want to do it. Go try that. No. Okay.
Daddy, if I die.
Let me see that. How much did you put?
I'm putting more.
You ready?
All the same time today in the fire pit.
Wow.
You okay? How are you doing?
Eh?
What? It's burning?
Yeah.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying.
You're
I'm
crying.
just saying it's burning.
That's a good idea, huh?
Why'd you tell your daughter to do it? Yeah, I'm good now.